out the usual cigarette and pull me close. And it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. But in time he found all he wanna see was a plan he had, and it wasn't me. It wasn't me. And it's too bad, it's too bad, it's too bad. 'Cause what you are about to choose is some you win, but more you lose. But I can't make you see colors that you can't see, as I can't make you feel things that you can't feel. I find that you see it all too much in black and white, but it's not your fault you're colorblind. It's not your fault you're colorblind. It's the favorite things that we always miss, like the way we hugged and the way we kissed. But that's not all. And you know this, you know this, you know this. Still, so you may see in time that you cannot find the kind of love we had with some other one. As years go by, and it's too late, it's too late, it's too late. 'Cause what you are about to choose is some you win, but more you lose. But I can't make you see colors that you can't see, as I can't make you feel things that you can't feel. I find that you see it all too much in black and white, but it's not your fault you're colorblind. It's not your fault you're colorblind. Lying on your bed, head to head, what are we gonna do? Now I'm in love with you. And then you touch my face, make tears race, and I say I'm sorry. That's what your touch still does to me. Oh, but I can't make you see colors that you can't see, as I can't make you feel things that you can't feel. I find that you see it all too much in black and white, but it's not your fault you're colorblind. But I can't, you get the colors that you can't see, as I can't make you feel things that you can't feel. I find that you see it all too much in black and white, but it's not your fault you're colorblind. It's not your fault you're colorblind. So I would say that my story is that I actually have a classical music education, but I always had my, let's say, popular music idols, and during high school I already wrote some poems in English, some lyrics, and I started writing songs. And so I was never very open with that, because I thought that maybe, you know, I was not good enough, or like, you know, like you usually think probably at the beginning of a career, or at the beginning of whatever you want to do. But yeah, with time, since I also studied music, during my studies I moved more and more towards the direction of popular music, until I started my own project, Rozeen.
feeling low. It's all to dodge your mind roll. Oh, no. And don't be fooled if it doesn't show, 'cause it's inside that the fear grows. When it's myself, my biggest foe. Oh, carving these old mind roads deeper into my brain, feeling you every time, although it's always the same. Now tell me, who am I insane? Creating distance to what I can't reach with my hands. Another capitulation in this fight with myself. It feels like I'm fading away. Assigning meaning to what should have none, and for what's meaningful, the meaning's gone. And after all, what's right for me seems wrong. It seems wrong. Oh, no. I'm creating limits to feel free again. Though setting boundaries is my best friend. Is it my mind tricking me again? Oh, carving these old mind roads deeper into my brain, feeling you every time, although it's always the same. Now tell me, who am I insane? Creating distance to what I can't reach with my hands. Another capitulation in this fight with myself. It feels like I'm fading away. Then from the rain appears a ray. Out of the blue comes a better day. The smallest flame is enough to light up the dark. And I won't give up that spark. No, I won't give up that spark. Carving these old mind roads deeper into my brain, feeling you every time, although it's always the same. Now tell me, who am I insane? Oh no, creating distance to what I can't reach with my hands. Another capitulation in this fight with myself. It feels like I'm fading away. Danny.
So I would say that my very big inspiration when I was younger, also during high school, was Alicia Keys. I was a very big fan. She was also one of my first concerts. I was obsessed with her. I was really a big fan. But I also always loved the music from the 60s and the 70s. My dad is a big fan, and he showed us a lot of music when we were little already. So I took some influences from there as well, I'm sure. And also, I would say people like Simon and Garfunkel, like more folky vibes, I always liked a lot. John Mayer, there's an American singer-songwriter called Mindy Smith, who wrote my favorite album, her first album. So yeah, a lot of influences here and there, mostly in the pop, folk, soul, rock genre.
Summer night, empty street. We finally talked to the dance club, be the whole little universe. At that time, sun in his hair, skies in his eyes. America, but raise a lot. I can't even bring myself to listen to that song again. It's not enough, it seems, to go and follow dreams when they're all in the past. Can I make them last? Oh, I wanna make them last. 'Cause I don't do well with memories. The better they are, the more it bleeds. You never really see it coming. I'm sick and tired of all the longing. No, I don't do well with memories. These concrete walls are home we made. At times it feels that's just why my heart stayed. Just at its best, it all got taken away. Walking down to our favorite bar. Now everyone's here. It doesn't seem that far, but so much more bitter. Now shouldn't it be sweet? It's not enough, it seems, to go and follow dreams when they're all in the past. Can we make them last? Oh, I wanna make them last. 'Cause I don't do well with memories. The better they are, the more it bleeds. You never really see it coming. I'm sick and tired of all the longing. Oh, I don't do well. Is memory a liar, or is it a friend? What point in recalling if I can never ever live it again? Sometimes I wish I could just forget it all. No, I don't do well with memories. tired of all that longing. No, I don't do well. No, I don't do well. No, I don't do well with memories. With memories.
So to that I would answer that I think that I'm living the dream because we choose what we do, and if we do what we love, then we're already kind of on the right way, and it's already a stage of the dream. And I think that as long as you don't do what you really want to do, you will not be happy. So you should just start, and that's what I did. And I always had this a bit maybe secret wish to have my own musical project and to be a singer-songwriter, and I did it. And so I think that if you do what you love and you just relax into it, you enjoy the journey, it will take you where you should be. So you can live your dream now.